हाय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हैं भाई आप सब? आई होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग वेरी वेरी वेल। एंड एज कि हमने कल लास्ट वीडियो में कहा था कि हम पॉलिटी का जो पीवाईक्यू है उसका पार्ट 2 लेके आएंगे। एंड दैट्स व्हाई हियर वी हैव द पार्ट सेकंड ऑफ द पॉलिटी वीडियो। और लास्ट क्लास में हमने इसी यूनिट में जो ये टॉपिक्स है हमने इससे एसोसिएटेड हमने जितने भी क्वेश्चंस मोस्टली पूछे गए थे वो हमने कवर अप करने की कोशिश करी थी। आज उसी के एक्सटेंशन पे हम थोड़ा आगे बढ़ेंगे। Last class में we were discussing, I guess, there was slide number, just a second. So yes, uh, here we go. So exactly, yes, we were discussing a topic from this location. शायद हमने यहाँ तक कुछ क्वेश्चंस देख लिए थे। अब हमें यहाँ से आगे क्वेश्चंस को डिलीवर करना है और देखना है कि ऐसे कौन कौन से क्वेश्चंस है जो आप एग्जाम में दोबारा देख पाओगे। ठीक है, तो चलो लेट्स बिगिन आवर क्वेश्चंस। एंड द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन हियर, द कॉन्स्टिट्यूंट असेंबली वाज एस्टैब्लिश अंडर। जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूंट असेंबली थी, दिस वाज एस्टैब्लिश अंडर विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग एक्ट। तो आपको पता है द कॉन्स्टिट्यूंट असेंबली वाज एस्टैब्लिश अंडर द कैबिनेट एक्ट। जो कैबिनेट मिशन आया था इसने 9th ऑफ दिसंबर 1946 को हमारी कॉन्स्टिट्यूंट असेंबली की स्टैब्लिशमेंट की थी। अंडर द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया इकोनॉमिक प्लानिंग इज, किस कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया के अंदर जो इकोनॉमिक प्लानिंग है वो किस पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक का हिस्सा है? अब कह रहा है इन द स्टेट लिस्ट, इन द यूनियन लिस्ट, इन द कॉन्करेंट लिस्ट। अब देखो इकोनॉमिक प्लानिंग की बात करें हम, सो इन द पर्टिकुलर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया के अंदर हम इकोनॉमिक प्लानिंग की बात करते हैं। सो दिस लाइज इन द concurrence list, means state government and the central government both had the responsibility to plan the nation. Which among the following introduced the provincial autonomy in the British India? ब्रिटिश इंडिया में प्रोविंशियल ऑटोनॉमी किसने इंट्रोड्यूस करी थी? द क्वेश्चन हैज बीन दिस। द प्रोविंशियल ऑटोनॉमी, सॉरी डायरकी वाज हियर। प्रोविंशियल ऑटोनॉमी वाज इंट्रोड्यूस इन 1935, डायरकी एट द सेंटर एंड प्रोविंशियल ऑटोनॉमी वाज इंट्रोड्यूस। ओके ओके, हम्म हम्म हम्म, यस गाइस, तो हम यहाँ पे थे, थोड़ा सा इन क्वेश्चंस को हमने डिस्कस कर लिया था। वी वर डिस्कसिंग दिस क्वेश्चन, यस आई गॉट इट, दिस क्वेश्चन वी वर डिस्कसिंग इट। तो which one of the following is not correctly match? 39 कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल एक फ्री लीगल एड, बिल्कुल सही बात है। 40 ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑफ पंचायत, यूनिफॉर्म सिविल कोड 44। 48 is not separation of powers, 48 basically talk about animal husbandry, right? Who or which of the following is competent to prescribe the condition for acquisition of citizenship? इंडिया में सिटीजनशिप को लेके कानून कौन बना सकता है? वी न्यू दिस। Article 11 itself says that if there is any change in the part 2nd of the Indian Constitution, that there shall be the Parliament. So Parliament would be the right answer for this particular question. Which act for the first time made possible for the Indian to take some share in the administration? पहली बार इंडियन एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन में थोड़ा शेयर लेने के लिए किस कानून के तहत आगे आए थे? सो यस, हियर वी कैन टॉक अबाउट दिस इज पर्टिकुलर 1833 नॉन कॉन्वेनेंट पोस्ट पे इंडियंस के फुल कंपटीशन के थ्रू आने की बात हुई थी। 1853 में जो कॉवेनेंट पोजीशन है उस पे कंप्लीट जो कंपटीशन था उसकी बात हुई थी। और गवर्नमेंट इंडिया एक्ट 1858 ने पर्टिकुलरली ये बोल दिया था कि भाई वॉइसरॉय का रूल होगा एंड वॉइसरॉय काउंसिल को हम एक्सपेंड करने की कोशिश करेंगे। ठीक है, तो अगर सबसे पहले की बात करें, पहली बार तो ये 1833 के अंदर हुआ था। अंडर विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग एक्ट डायरकी वाज इंट्रोड्यूस्ड एट सेंटर? देखो डायरकी सेंटर पे कब इंट्रोड्यूस की क्वेश्चन ये पूछ रहा है। डायरकी वाज इंट्रोड्यूस्ड एट द प्रोविंशियल लेवल इन 1919, एट द सेंट्रल लेवल इट वाज इंट्रोड्यूस्ड इन 1935। दिस वुड बी द राइट आंसर। In India, legislature made by in Indian legislature was made bicameral for the first time. पहली बार bicameralism, दोहरी सरकार व्यवस्था या दो सदनीय व्यवस्था कब आई? So the correct answer for this particular is the Government India Act of 1919, which suggested for the bicameral legislature at the provincial level, at the central level. The power of the president to ordinance, प्रेसिडेंट के पास जो ऑर्डिनेंस इशू करने की पावर है अंडर आर्टिकल 123 ऑफ द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, This power is derived from which particular act? The power is derived from the Government India Act of 1935, because it gave power to the Viceroy issue the ordinances. Then that same power transferred to the President of India. The proposal for the framing of the Constitution of India was elected assembly was made by. पहली बार किसने कहा था कि भाई देयर शैल बी अ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन असेंबली जो इलेक्टेड होनी चाहिए? फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम जिसने ये बात बोली थी, दिस वाज अ क्रिप मिशन in 1942 when Crip mission came. इसने पहली बात यही कहा था, after the war there shall be a provincial election and after that there shall be a constitutional assembly for the people of India. Who was the chairman of the provincial constitution committee of the constituent assembly? Who was the chairman of the provincial constitution committee of the constituent assembly? So constituent assembly के जो provincial constituent committee के अध्यक्ष थे, that was पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू. The feature of the federal system of India. India का जो federal system है, that is inspired from where? The federal system of the Indian Constitution is inspired by the Canadian Constitution. Which of the following describe India as a secular state? इंडिया को सेकुलर स्टेट कौन डिफाइन करता है? फंडामेंटल राइट्स, प्रियम्बल ऑफ इंडिया, 9th शेड्यूल, डीपीएसपी. एग्जैक्टली अगर हम बात करना शुरू करेंगे, दैट प्रियम्बल ऑफ इंडिया बेसिकली describe India as a secular state. Which among the following is the correct expression of the term secularism? Secularism का रही सही मतलब क्या है यहाँ पे? The right meaning of secularism. India has many religion? नहीं. Indians have religion freedom? हाँ ये बात है, but this is not defined as secularism. Following religion depend upon the will of an individual? ये भी बात है, but not definition of secularism. There is no religion of the state of India. बिल्कुल, Indian state has no particular religion. That defines the definition of secularism here. To give constitutional protection, state land reform were being included in 9th schedule. That is very basic. 9th schedule को हमने पढ़ा है. 1951, the first amendment. In giving representation to the talent, experiences and the services, the composition of council of state. आम भाषा में हमारे राज्यसभा में जो 14 बंदे नॉमिनेट होते हैं बाय द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया, सॉरी 12 बंदे जो नॉमिनेट होते हैं बाय द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया, ये प्रोविजन हमने कहां से लिया है? दिस प्रोविजन इज बॉर्डर्ड फ्रॉम द आयरलैंड, आयरिश रिपब्लिकन. Who was the chairman of the National Flag Committee? National Flag Committee के अध्यक्ष में से कौन थे? सी राज गोपालाचारी, राजेंद्र प्रसाद, जेबी कृपलानी, डॉक्टर बी आर अम्बेडकर. राजेंद्र प्रसाद would be the flag committee. In Indian national flag was adopted by the Constituent Assembly on which date? It is 22nd of July 1947. The prevention of cruelty to animal is listed in which of the following Indian Constitution? Prevention of क्रूलिटी टू द एनिमल जो है ये पर्टिकुलर हमारे कॉन्करेंस लिस्ट में इसको ऐड किया गया है. Which of the following is match correctly? Article 17 talk about the equality before law, ये तो गलत हो गया. 78 ये भी गलत हो गया क्योंकि 17 में वो है अनटचेबिलिटी, ये है बात. 78 बात करता है ड्यूटीज ऑफ द प्राइम मिनिस्टर. 192 सैलरीज एंड द अलाउंस ऑफ द पार्लियामेंट्री मेंबर, नहीं वो तो बात करता है 90 की श्रेणी में, ये भी गलत हो जाएगा. दिस वन इज द करेक्ट. द प्रोक्लेमेशन ऑफ इमरजेंसी अंडर आर्टिकल 352. द गोल ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन इज टू सिक्योर इट्स ऑल सिटीजन justice, social, economic, liberty of thought and expression, equality of opportunity, dignity of individual. All of the above are the correct answer here. The provision that no bill imposing tax can be introduced in the legislature except on the recommendation of the president is covered in the constitution of which particular article? भाई देखो इसने सिंपल सी बात बोली है, ये जो बात है कि no bill imposing tax can be introduced in the legislature except on the recommendation of the president, that is very beautifully defined under article in the financial bill. And the financial bill article is article 117 clause 1, 117 clause 3. तो यहाँ पे जिसकी बात हो रही है that is clause 117. तो right answer would be here 117. Concurrent list included in Indian constitution is given by Australia. ऑस्ट्रेलिया से कॉन्करेंस लिस्ट लिया था, ऑस्ट्रेलिया से हमने बोरो किया था द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ जॉइंट सिटिंग ऑफ द इंडियन पार्लियामेंट. Which of the following act for the first time provide for the communal representation? The Act of 1909, Morley Minto reforms, because we know this Minto has been referred as the father of communal representation. Aga Khan and Salimullah, 1906 All India Muslim League. Remember this. Which of the following act introduced the principle of the constitutional autocracy? Principle of the constitutional autocracy की बात हो रही है, means the supremacy of the constitution shall be implemented. अब the principle of constitutional autocracy has been given to us by the Government India Act of 1935 because that was a bundle or chunk of the book which जिसके according हमने country को चलाया था. Who was the chairman of the advisory committee on the fundamental rights? That is B.N. Rao. The Constitution of India was adopted on which date? It was 26th of November 1949 because preamble was drafted at this date. The first vice president of the assembly, that is S.C. Mukherjee. Originally the only Congress member of the drafting committee, that is K.M. Munshi. Member of the Constituent Assembly representing Rajasthan, that is V.T. Krishnamachari. The chairman of Union Committee, that is Pandit Nehru. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. First का 1, फिर first का 4, फिर 3, फिर 1 and 2. Which of the following said, a constitution like a machine is a lifeless thing. It requires life because of the men who control it. And India needs today nothing more than a set of honest men who will have interest of the country before them. अब ये बात कहने वाले इंसान कौन है भाई? This would definitely Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. What is or are the true relation to the autonomous district? Autonomous district council के बारे में पूछा गया है. Each autonomous district council has 30 members. This is absolutely correct. 24 members are elected. No, it is 26 members who are elected and 4 are basically nominated by the governor. This statement is incorrect. Right to direct the act passed by Parliament of India in autonomous district of Assam lies with the governor. Absolutely. If Parliament passing any act, that act directly cannot be imposed in district council. It shall be referred and verified by the governor of India in the state of Assam. But if it is about Meghalaya, Tripura and the Mizoram, then it lies in the hand of the President of India. By which amendment of the Constitution of India forests were transferred from the state list to the concurrent list? That is 42nd Amendment. Abolition of titles, fundamental rights, village panchayat, DPSP. Provide the opportunity of education 6 to 14 years. That is fundamental duty. India, that is Bharat as a union of state. That is part 1, the union and the territory. In which list of the Indian Constitution the Panchayat Raj has been described? Panchayat Raj is a state subject. Which one of the following pair article is not properly matched? The Supreme Court of India, 124. Election Commission of India, 324. Union Public Service Commission, 315. Attorney General, that is 76. So the one and only correctly matched, that is B. Which of the following statement with regard to the preamble to the Constitution of India is correct? Equality of status and the equality of opportunity find mention in the preamble. Absolutely. The expression unity and integrity of the nation was not there in the preamble since the beginning. Both the statements are correct. Which of the following term added with the preamble by the 42nd Amendment 1976? Socialist secular integrity. These 3 words were added. The Citizenship Amendment Act falls under which of the following part? Citizenship lies in the part 2nd, so hence the amendment will also fall in the part 2 of the Indian Constitution. Which one of the following statement about Alladi Krishnaswamy Iyer as a drafting member of the Constitution of India are correct? He favored the role of Supreme Court in taking important decisions related to the interpretation of the Constitution of India. Perfect. He felt that the Supreme Court had to draw the line between liberty and social control. Okay. He believed in the dominance of the executive over judiciary. No. He favored a dictatorial form of governance. No. 1 and 2. Which of the following statement relating to the Government India Act 1858 is are correct? The British Crown assumed sovereignty over India from the East India Company. Perfect. East India Company से ही हमने Crown ने control किया था. The British Parliament enacted the first status for the governance of India. under the direct rule of British. Yes, that's why the post of Viceroy was created and the Secretary of the State was created. This act was dominated by the principle of absolute imperial control. Very good. Absolute imperial control tha without the participation of the mass population in India. Perfect. All the statements are correct here. Next. Which one of the following statement with regard to the 9th schedule of the Constitution of India is not correct? It was inserted by First Amendment 1951. Perfect. The acts and regulations specified in the 9th schedule shall become void on the ground that it violates fundamental right in part 3. ये गलत हो गया भाई, क्यों? जो भी एक्ट इसमें आप ऐड करते थे, they were not challenged on the grounds of fundamental rights. वो तो बाद में सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने बोला था. तो अगर हम सिर्फ 9 शेड्यूल की बात करेंगे तो ये स्टेटमेंट गलत हो जाएगा. तो सुप्रीम कोर्ट हैज पावर ऑफ द रिव्यू ऑफ एन एक्ट. बिल्कुल सही बात है, सुप्रीम कोर्ट के पास ये पावर है. द एप्रोप्रिएट लेजिस्लेचर कैन बी रिपील और अमेंड. हाँ, अगर पार्लियामेंट चाहे तो इस एक्ट को चेंज कर सकती है, रिपील भी कर सकती है. सो बी वुड नॉट बी द राइट आंसर हियर. Which of the following is not correct a tenet of the Constitution of India? Prohibit discrimination on the ground of religion. बिल्कुल सही बात है. Article 25, 26, 27 and 28 are there, and even the Article 15 and 16 talk about special race, caste, sex, religion, place of birth. तो उसमें religion एक word हो गया. Given official status to the certain religion. किसी एक certain religion को हमने official status दे रखा है. India has no particular status to any religion. दूसरा eliminate कर दो. The moment I eliminate two, so the right answer become, ठीक है, 3 and 4. Now 1 is also correct, but it is not option like here कि 1 shall be the correct option. So there is no option with the 1, so hence the statement would be 3 and 4 become the only particular separate answer. Again 9th schedule. Perfect. It includes those laws which are beyond the purview of judicial review. Okay. It was inserted for 42nd amendment. What is the sense of this? I have to remove third. Which of the following statement about the formation of Constituent Assembly is correct? The member of the Constituent Assembly were chosen on the basis of provincial election. Okay, yes, there shall be a provincial election for the election of Constituent Assembly. Perfect. The Constituent Assembly did not include representative of the princely state. This become incorrect. It included the representative of the princely states. Okay. The discussion within the Constituent Assembly were not influenced by the opinion expressed by the public. Yes. ठीक है, ये बात थोड़ी सही बनती है. In order to create a sense of collective participation, submission were solicited from the public. The discussion with the Constituent Assembly were not influenced by the public opinion. Okay. अब यहाँ पे हमें दो स्टेटमेंट सही मानने हैं. अब देखो पहला पॉइंट समझ लेना. टू अंडरस्टैंड द पीपल ओपिनियन, the assembly people, what they did, they said the people of India that participate in that, whatever the thing you have, you can write it down and tell us. Okay. So here, in order to create a sense of collective participation, the submission were solicited from the public opinion. This is a correct statement. And here we have to find the match the following. So second, if it is incorrect, then this is removed. Only one is not correct because fourth is also correct here. And one is not mentioned here. So 1 and 4, the suitable answer would be 1 and 4, and hence the right answer will be 1 and 4. Why I did not choose third here? Because there is no such matching with the option like 1, 3 and 4. That's why. Consider the following statement about democracy. We have to discuss about democracy. It consists with the formation of the people. It consists with the formation of the government elected by the people. Yes, this is the meaning of democracy, when the government is elected by the people of India or any particular nation. In democracy, those currently in power have a fair chance of losing it. Absolutely. Each vote has one value. Universal adult franchise. Absolutely. All the statements are becoming the right statement at the definition of democracy, right? The draft constitution as framed only provides. Okay. It is not a contravention to install any particular party in the power, and has been done in some countries. Who should be power is left to be determined by the people, as it must be if the system is to satisfy the test of democracy. The above passage from the Constituent Assembly debate is attributed Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, B.R. Ambedkar, Maulana Azad, Acharya J.B. Kripalani. A bit confusing question. Make it a question mark. Work on it because I have no such idea about this. Full civil and the political right of citizen, the right of suffrage for election to the House of People, the right to become member of parliament or the assembly. The citizenship means all of the above. हर एक नागरिक के पास ये तीनों चीजें होती हैं, तभी वो भारत का नागरिक माना भी जाता है इन सेंस में. Which of the following statement regarding passing a law under the state list is correct? Even in the spheres of state list exclusively reserved for the states, parliament can make legislature. कह रहा है कोई भी ऐसा पर्टिकुलर सब्जेक्ट जो कि स्टेट लिस्ट में मेंशन है, द पार्लियामेंट जो कि एक्सक्लूसिवली स्टेट का सब्जेक्ट है, द पार्लियामेंट कैन मेक लॉज ऑन दैट इन certain circumstances. Absolutely, the parliament can make law on the state list with the consult of the Rajya Sabha by passing 2/3 of majority present and voting. ठीक है, तो हमारा पार्लियामेंट ऐसा कर सकता है, बट इन द कंडीशंस ऑफ इमरजेंसी और द नेशनल इंटरेस्ट. सो फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट इज एब्सोल्युटली हियर ट्रू that parliament can legislate under certain circumstances on the state subjects. Parliament cannot legislate on any under circumstances. तो अगर पहला सही है तो दूसरा ऑटोमेटिकली गलत होता है, because they are not basically saying the same thing. They are basically contradicting each other, contradiction in each other. The resolution supported by the 2/3 of the member present and voting in Rajya Sabha required. Absolutely, this is what I'm talking about. Article 266, I guess, saying the same thing. You guys can check out the article, but this is a complete truth that article under Rajya Sabha, if there's a 2/3 of majority present and voting and saying that you need to make subject on the state list because it is a national interest topic, then the parliament is allowed to do so. Under article 248, the parliament has residuary power to do so. So देख लेना एक बार. 1 and 3 become the absolutely correct answer here. Who among the following warned his colleague that the Constitutional Assembly was a British made and was working the British plan as the British should like it to be worked out? Okay, this same thing was said by a person that is called Somnath Lahiri. So Somnath Lahiri has said the same thing, that the assembly is made by the British, the assembly is acting as a British, and they will give us a result like a British. Which one of the following statement with the regard to the preamble of the Constitution is not correct? The terms secular, democratic, republic were not there in the preamble originally. Originally, democratic republic was there, but secular was not there. There was sovereign. The preamble contains the basic structure of the Constitution of India exactly. By itself, the preamble is not enforceable by the court of law exactly. The Supreme Court has held that the preamble cannot be considered as an aid to be the legal interpretation. We have to find the not correct. The first one is not correct. It means every single statement is correct here. Which of the following pair of the list and the contains are the truly matched? State list के पास public health and sanitation है, union के पास citizenship, naturalization, aliens है, concurrent talk about legal, medical and the professionals. Perfectly match. 1, 2, 3. Which of the following statement about the Constitution of India is correct? The objective resolution was moved by Vasudha Vallabhbhai Patel. Incorrect. The objective resolution was passed by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar served as the chairman of the drafting committee in his capacity as a law minister. गलत. ये तो बाद में बने हैं law minister. पहले तो ये drafting committee के president बने थे. So both the statement here become incorrect statement. Which one of the following is not the feature of the Indian Independence Act? Dominion of India got the residuary territory of India. Perfect. Excluding the territory of Sindh, Balochistan, Western Punjab, East Bengal and that is Pakistan. बिल्कुल सही बात है. The act sought to lay down a constitution by the legislative will of the British Parliament. नहीं. We were the sovereigns and we do not require any will of the British Parliament. We were sovereign from the beginning. That's why the statement itself is becoming incorrect. The constitution was not laid down by the legislative will. No, it was laid by the people of India itself, by the assembly. So if second is incorrect, then we do not discuss about these two. Which of the following was the mandate to Dhar Commission? Dhar, Faisal Ali, JVP committee was for the state reorganization on the basis of language. And that's why I don't need to go so much into this. I directly say if I find linguistic basis, I have to take on that because SK Dhar Commission was for that. Which one of the following terms regarding the Constitutional Assembly is or are correct? It was not based on adult franchise. Okay. It resulted from the direct election. नहीं जी, indirect भी हुए थे. It was a multi-party. बिल्कुल सही बात है. It worked through the several committees. बिल्कुल सही बात है. So if I have to remove the second statement, if I remove the second, I reach to the option. It is 1-4 and 1-3-4. It was not based on a बिल्कुल सही बात है. 1-3 become the right answer because there were some elected members, some nominated member, and there was not complete universal adult franchise in the beginning. Consider the following statement about the constitutional government. Limited government, perfect, because constitution is the top. That's why there's a limitation over the government. One where the constitution is on the basis of public authority. One where the constitution is the basis of public authority. Perfect. One where the monarch is the formal head of the state. Incorrect. Okay. One where there is always universal adult franchise. Absolutely. Which of the following are true regarding the preamble of the Constitution of India? The objective resolution was proposed by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru and passed by the Constituent Assembly, which ultimately became the preamble. Absolutely correct. The idea of preamble was borrowed from the USA. ये भी सही है. The words socialist and secular were adopted by the 42nd Amendment 1976. Perfect. The preamble incorporates the fundamental rights of citizens of India. That is becoming incorrect. 1, 2, 3. So here we go. We have discussed all the questions which has been asked from that unit, and the unit which we are discussing, this one is, just a second. Here we go. This is the unit here we are discussing right now. All the topics which has been asked from these topics, all the questions asked from these topics in the CDS, State PCS, UPSC, CAPF, I have discussed this. Next video will be for unit 2. And in unit 2, we'll be discussing more questions, same political angle. And within few videos, I'll try to complete your Polity PYQ series. I hope you are enjoying this. And if only one student is watching and enhancing his knowledge, that is sufficient for me. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care and all the best.